Alright, so what does a 20-something-year-old clutch cable look like? It looks like that. And what does a lot of chores look like right here? Looks like that. But back to this. This is a clutch cable. I think it's the original clutch cable, because my bike had 7,000 something miles on it when I first got it, from a buddy of mine, and he don't know shit about bikes and didn't have any real maintenance done other than changing the tires and the battery, and that was pretty much it. I did everything else. The clutch started getting a little tough, and so that's what led to all this. But look at that. That's just noise. Let's see if we can get some flashing noise. To avoid overheating, don't record more than 10 minutes of video. That's new Samsung. Alright, that's what an old clutch cable looks like. And yes, I've dropped my dishwasher tablets and pulling out all my tools. Alright, so the part I was complaining about on the forum was this end piece here. I could not get this sucker to come out, and it was because of the I don't know if you can see it right there. There's that little frayed end part right. Let's see if I can. Whoop. There we go. So I had all this I'm gonna say slack, I guess, right? I had all that, right? But see, the flash is fucking it up. This little end piece right there, you see that? Come on, focus. That part, it's like crept up metal or some fused shit. I don't know. We're gonna do this. Do belly cam, right? Belly cam. And zoom in on that sucker. Right, cool. So this whole little forged metal shit right here is what made it difficult to just pop it out of the little tab. So what I did was I took a flathead, a really small flathead that you use on like small appliances and stuff, and just kind of tapped it on the side with a hammer until it came out while holding the end of the what do you call it, that L-shaped mechanism with my pinky, and just kept giving it a couple love taps, lubed it with some WD-40, and eventually it came. I just washed my fucking hands, and eventually it came right out. Right, looks like a wad of aluminum foil around that, but I don't know what that's all about. I would say, hey, it's JB Weld, but I've never really seen JB Weld. It looks like some type of metal stuff. I don't think that it came like this, or maybe it did. Maybe it was cast like that from the factory. I don't know how they used to do things 20 years ago. But yeah, that's what it was. Alright, thank you to all the people on the forum for all the assistance, and I will report back. Alright.